Thanks for tuning in, and today I want to talk about a new pouch courtesy of a company called Firm Guards. I had a great conversation on the phone with one of their founders who sent this to me for free to showcase for you guys. But before I talk about it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help support my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is the size. And here it is next to my A7 notebook. And so A7 is 4x3. And you can tell that it's actually a little bit smaller than 4x3. And in terms of thickness, it's not that much thicker, even with some items inside, which I'll go over in just a second. So it's perfect to throw a few EDC items in there, maybe 4 or 5 or 6, and then still have it organized and then throw that in your pocket or a sling bag. So perfect for EDC. The next thing is the color that I chose. So this is the only product that they offer, and it comes in 2 colors, at least for now, is the Coyote Brown. I really love this. It stands out a little bit more than just the black. I have a lot of black pouches in my collection already, so that's why I chose the Coyote. And it just feels very, very nice. It's got this X-Pack material, so that's going to repel water, and it's very durable. It's going to last a long time. And it's even got this really nice YKK zipper right there, and it's in brass. Very smooth, and the brass color just makes it stand out a lot more and just adds a little bit of flair, which is great. And even the nylon gusset around the zipper and also the loop is made of a thicker nylon, so you know that that's going to be very durable. If you wanted to pass a little clip and attach it to your belt loop or wear it around your neck, you'll have no problems there. Now, the other thing that I won't be able to convey on camera, I'll try, but in between the layers is a layer of EVA padding. So it just feels really good. I haven't seen that in many other pouches, even pouches that are 2 or 3 times more expensive than this one. But there's just, you can see it. It adds a little bit of cushioning. It just feels so nice. I don't know why more companies don't do that. And so if you had this in your back pocket and you sat down by accident with this in there, it would add a little bit of protection to the items on the inside. So really nice little touch right there with the padding. So let's open it up and see what's on the inside. And it's the same story. You've got this really nice lining in this honeycomb pattern. It's, I would say, burnt orange, so it has a nice contrast so you can find your items very easily and identify what you're looking for. No problem. And again, even with the zippered compartment, I don't have anything right there, but it's still got that honeycomb pattern lining, which is nice. So you could put an air tag back there if you use that. But I was thinking maybe putting some bandages or maybe some cash, or maybe I think a credit card might fit back there, something like that. So that's great for those kind of items in that zippered compartment. You also have a little label right here. So this is the micro kit pouch, and then the website where you can check it out right there. So for organization, it's very, very simple. You've got 2 mesh pockets right here, no dividers, and I actually really like that. Sometimes dividers can be a little restrictive, but this way you can fill it out with items that are kind of wider or different sizes and just organize it however you want. So I've just got 4 items in here, and I always like to carry a flashlight, a couple of blades, and then just kind of like a miscellaneous item. So, of course, I have my Lumentop EDC01 flashlight. This has been on my keychain or in a pouch for as long as I can remember. You can see all the wear marks on it from use. And it runs on a AAA battery. It's waterproof. It's got 3 different brightness levels. Great for a little pouch like this. So stick that right in there. And then I've got a few blades here. So this is just a mini utility blade with a back lock. I think this cost me like $4 or $3 at Harbor Freight. So just always great to have a little utility knife like this. And then this is just like a little multi-tool. It's from Mr. Green. And what I like about it is I mainly use the nail clippers on this at work when I forgot to clip my nails at home. This comes in really handy. All stainless steel construction, and then similar to the Victorinox, it's got a blade, a file, and then some scissors as well. And these are all actually pretty sharp. So really like the feel of this all stainless steel multi-tool. And that goes in just like that. And then lastly, I have this little folding pry bar slash scraper with a bottle opener right there. And it's got a liner lock. And this edge is actually really sharp. Actually, it's gotten a little bit dull since I've used it a lot to open packages. But when you get it out of the box, it's actually pretty sharp. So you can use it as a package opener or just as a regular pry bar slash scraper. And then just release the liner lock to close it like this. And so as you can see, there's probably a little bit more space to add a couple more items if you wanted to, smaller items, but I didn't want to, overload it too much. And when you zip it up, it still keeps that slim profile. So that's it pretty much for the pouch. Let me know your thoughts and comments. If you want to go check it out, I'll link the website below. Now, these are, because it's a new company, these are going to be in limited supply. So if you want to purchase one, I jump on it right away just in case they run out of stock. So love to hear your thoughts down below. And until the next time, God bless.